Hi, let me show you our new designed baby stroller according for your request. The cabin size and light weight around 6 kg. All the functions have qualified. Please show the details. Yes, this is the back set. Baby could sit and lie down. The canopy. Rails. Footstep. This can adjust. Okay, please fold it to show the size. Okay, show the kilogram here. You put down. Now this is the size. Okay, measure here.